So in class today, we did an activity with some actual little puzzles to show these 5 postulates, but it's hard to do on this computer. But basically what you need to know is when you have 2 triangles that are congruent, so triangle ABC is the exact same shape and size as DEF. So triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF. That means A to B is equal to DE. BC is equal to EF. And AC is equal to DF. And all the sides are equal and all the angles are equal. Angle A equals angle D, B equals angle E, and angle F is equal to angle C. So all 3 angles and 3 sides are equal. That's 6 total things. But once you really have 3 things, you know they're congruent. You don't have to prove the rest. We did an activity in class to show you this. If you missed class, you kind of just got to trust me. And the 3 things you could have to prove triangles are congruent, if all the sides are the same, and that's what they give you, it's called side, side, side. So if I just have 3 sides are the same, I know the 3 angles are the same. Then if I have an angle, a side, and an angle, so this angle equals this one, this side equals this side, this angle equals this angle, that's called angle, side, side, and that shows us the triangles are congruent. Same thing over here, I have an angle, then another angle, then a side. So see how I'm just reading, oh, I have an angle equal, another angle, then a side. And you read it this way because that's where the letters are kind of in the most order. I don't want to go this way and skip spots. So we might make sure we just go in order where all the letters are. So that's called angle, angle, side, and that means they're equal. Same thing over here, side, angle, side. And the last one we're going to talk about, hypotenuse, leg. We'll talk about that at the end of the unit. It's basically when we have 2 sides equal and we have the right angle. We'll talk about that when we get there. Don't worry about it yet. The 2 that do not work. So I could have 2 angles that are the same, a side, then another side. If I wrote this out, that spells ASS. We can't have that in math class. And if you look, those 2 triangles are not the exact same shape and size. So ASS doesn't work. The other one that doesn't work, if I have all angles are the same size. Angle, angle, angle. AAA is a car company. That's how I remember this one. Angle, angle, angle does not prove my triangles are the same shape and size. For example, I could have an equilateral triangle. That means all my angles are 60. I could have another equilateral triangle that's a lot bigger. So they don't have to be the same size if all the angles are the same. So the 2 that don't work are angle, 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 and ASS. So they're too easy to remember because this is like a car company. This one spells a bad word. So those are the ones that don't work. So let's look on the inside right and how we would do this. So explain how you know these 2 triangles are congruent, or are the 2 triangles congruent? Well, I have an angle the same here. So angle, then another angle, then a side. So this is angle, angle, side if you just read it around here. So yes, triangle. Now make sure we match up the letters here. NPM is congruent to triangle. So I started with the 90, N. So I'm going to start with the 90 here. L, I went up to P, so I'm going to go up to K, then to M. By, and this one's angle, angle, side. The only confusing part, some people go, Mr. Salamano, why isn't this angle, side, angle? Well, if you read it as angle, side, angle, angle to side, you're skipping this, and then going to this angle, you're skipping too many things. You just want to go, okay, angle, angle, side. You don't want to skip a bunch of spots. There's no information here. So we just go in the order that it is with the information. You could also read it backwards, SAA, side, angle, angle. That also works. So try the other 2 on the right. So looking at this one, are these triangles congruent? Explain how you know. So this would be an angle the same, then a side, then another side. So no. So angle side side doesn't prove triangles are congruent. Now the next one's a challenge, a little tricky. So right here, are these triangles congruent or the same size? Well, I see an angle the same. Then I see a side the same. That's only two things, and we said we need three. Why are these the same? Oh, those are vertical angles. So vertical angles are congruent. So yes, triangle MKN is congruent to triangle. Make sure you match up the letters. M matches up with P, K matches up with K, and Q by angle side angle. So that was tricky because they kind of had to have you fill this one in, the vertical angles.